Welcome to Pennsylvania, the Keystone State, where history, culture, and adventure collide. Whether you're a history enthusiast, an outdoor lover, or a foodie looking for your next culinary adventure, this state has it all. From the vibrant streets of Philadelphia to the charming towns of Amish country, there's something here for every kind of traveler. I'm Mark from Travilla, and today I'm going to show you everything you need to know before you pack your bags for this unforgettable getaway. So, let's dive right in. Looking for more insider travel tips? Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss a travel update from us. Best time to visit Pennsylvania. First things first, when should you visit? The best time depends on what you're looking to do. Spring, April to June, brings mild temperatures and beautiful blooms, making it perfect for outdoor activities like hiking and exploring the Amish country. It's also the ideal time to check out the Philadelphia Flower Show. Fall, September to November, is another fantastic time. The autumn foliage makes for stunning scenic drives, and if you're into history, it's perfect for visiting places like Gettysburg. Plus, you can experience Halloween-themed activities like haunted tours. Summer is great for fun theme parks like Hershey Park or exploring Pennsylvania's mountain regions. Keep in mind, it can get warm and humid, especially in July and August, and cities like Philadelphia and Pittsburgh tend to be more crowded. Winter brings cold temperatures and possible snowfall, especially in northern and higher elevation areas, making it ideal for skiing or snowboarding. It's also a festive time in the cities, with lots of Christmas activities. Plus, if you prefer indoor attractions, places like Philadelphia and Pittsburgh have plenty to offer. Getting to Pennsylvania. So, how do you get there? Most travelers fly into one of Pennsylvania's major airports: Philadelphia International Airport, Pittsburgh International Airport, or Harrisburg International Airport. Philadelphia International offers direct flights from cities across both Europe and the US, so it's a great option if you're traveling from abroad. If you prefer traveling by train, Amtrak offers several routes. The Northeast Corridor connects major cities like New York, Philadelphia, and Washington, D.C., while the Pennsylvanian route links New York City to Pittsburgh. Alternatively, you can drive into Pennsylvania, especially along the I-76, which runs east to west across the state, connecting major cities like Philadelphia and Pittsburgh. You could also opt for Greyhound or Megabus, which connect Pennsylvania to major cities in nearby states. Getting around Pennsylvania. Once you're in Pennsylvania, renting a car is one of the best ways to explore. A car lets you visit smaller towns like Amish country or Hershey Park, as well as all the main cities and their attractions. If you'd rather not drive, you can use Amtrak for intercity travel, with the Keystone service connecting Philadelphia, Lancaster, and Harrisburg, or the Pennsylvanian route from New York to Pittsburgh. For short distances within the cities, both Philadelphia and Pittsburgh offer convenient bike-sharing programs and public transit options like the Scepter in Philadelphia or Port Authority in Pittsburgh. Typical prices in Pennsylvania. Hotel prices in Pennsylvania can vary greatly depending on where you're staying. As a general guide, budget hotels or hostel dorm beds range from $40 to $100 per night. Mid-range hotel rooms are typically between $100 and $200. Luxury hotels start at $200 a night. When it comes to food, budget meals cost between $10 to $15 per person, while sit-down meals range from $15 to $30. How to save money in Pennsylvania. While Pennsylvania can be an expensive place to visit, there are ways to save. Stick to budget hotels or motels, especially in cities like Philadelphia and Pittsburgh, or opt for hostels for more affordable accommodation. Use public transportation, like the Scepter or Port Authority, to get around without breaking the bank. Rent a bike or simply walk to explore the cities at your own pace. Don't miss Reading Terminal Market in Philadelphia for delicious, affordable eats. Take advantage of free or low-cost attractions such as national historic sites, parks, and museums. For example, the Independence National Historical Park in Philadelphia is free to visit, as is Point State Park in Pittsburgh. Consider getting a city pass to save on attractions in Philadelphia. We've linked it in the description below. As always, try to travel during the off-season, spring and fall, and book your accommodation early to secure the best deals. Best things to do in Pennsylvania. There's no shortage of things to do in Pennsylvania. Here are a few highlights. Philadelphia. Start your trip by visiting the iconic Liberty Bell and Independence Hall, where the Declaration of Independence and the U.S. Constitution were signed. Explore the Philadelphia Museum of Art, famous for its extensive collection, and the famous Rocky Steps. Don't miss Reading Terminal Market for a taste of Philly's local food scene. For history buffs, Eastern State Penitentiary offers a haunting audio tour of a historic prison. While you're there, catch a Phillies game at Citizens Bank Park, Pittsburgh. Head to Point State Park for beautiful views, or visit the Andy Warhol Museum for an artistic experience. For a true Pittsburgh experience, check out the Heinz History Center to learn about the city's fascinating history. To get a bird's-eye view of Pittsburgh, ride the Duquesne Incline, a historic funicular railway offering stunning panoramic views of the city. Hershey. Chocolate lovers will want to visit Hershey Park, a popular amusement park filled with rides and attractions, as well as the Hershey Story Museum to learn about the history of Milton Hershey and his chocolate empire. Keep in mind, Hershey Park is closed in winter, but you can still visit in the spring, summer, or fall for a sweet experience. Gettysburg. For history buffs, Gettysburg National Military Park is a must-visit. It's the site of the famous Civil War battle, and you can explore the museum and take a battlefield tour. Lancaster. Don't miss Amish country for a chance to experience the culture of the Amish. Take a farm tour, go on a buggy ride, and visit local shops. Make sure to stop by Kitchen Kettle Village for homemade food and crafts, and explore the Railroad Museum of Pennsylvania. For a relaxing stay, check out the Amish View Inn and Suites, which offers stunning views of nearby farms and is close to many of the attractions we've mentioned. We hope you have an unforgettable time in Pennsylvania. Stay Travila and keep exploring. Subscribe and turn on notifications so you don't miss more videos about travel tips, city guides, and adventure vlogs. Check out this playlist of my top travel videos, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care.